morning, you guys. I legitimately just woke up. It's Monday, June 21st. It's 8:30. I wanted to vlog today. I just need to get my life back on track, back in a routine. I was in Florida for Thursday, Friday, and we ended up cutting it short and leaving Saturday because there was a storm coming in. So I just feel like I haven't really been home and I need to unpack, go to the grocery store, work, obviously, get a workout in. So I'm gonna vlog today. My room is kind of a mess. But good morning, let's get it together. Also, my shirt is Nick Saban. One of my friends from college made this. And I love it. Okay, I went to Trader Joe's essentially just for like my vegetables and flowers real quickly. I still need to go to like a Whole Foods or Kroger later today for some other stuff, but I'm gonna make a bunch of bowls this week. So cauliflower, sweet potato, broccoli, carrots, squash, peppers, shiitake mushrooms, chickpeas, bananas for breakfast, and then 2 types of flowers. And I'm just making some toast right now. I think I'm gonna do almond butter and banana on that for breakfast. Okay, you guys, finally got my last package in. So these are my purchases that I just got in. This first one is from Aloe Yoga. It's this little tennis skirt that has like the shorts underneath, and this little top that doesn't necessarily didn't go with it as a set, but I thought it looked cute together. Both extra small. Me and my boyfriend are playing tennis lately, so I had to get an outfit. You know how that goes. Another thing, I wanted a new suit for summer, so this is from Frankie's Bikinis. It's, I guess, the Naomi. I'm pretty sure I got smalls in both the top and the bottom. It's like a terry cloth material, and then it has this check, I don't know, like boxed picnic-y pattern. I don't really know what you would call it. And then the last thing is this sarong from Monday Swimwear. I really like their bathing suits, but I wanted like a nice quality sarong, so I'm pretty sure it's just like one size, and it's really soft and kind of like a cream. So I thought it would look good with this bathing suit, and honestly all of my bathing suits this summer. So this is like a good representation of my summer. Playing tennis, hopefully going to the beach or some type of pool, and yeah. Hey vlog, so it is Thursday at like 5:45, June 24th. I kind of messed up. So I've been trying to post a vlog every Wednesday. That was like what I told myself in my head. So I was like, I'll just do kind of like a day in my life getting my shit together on Monday. So I filmed the whole thing and I go to like edit it, and I guess my hand when I'm like holding the camera like I am right now, which fingers crossed this isn't doing the same thing, but it was covering the microphone. So all my film was like muted, and I waited till the last minute to edit and post it, like on Wednesday yesterday. So I had nothing to post. So here we are again. I'm really trying. A lot of trial and error here, but I think I'm gonna film the weekend. It's my best friend's birthday today. We're throwing her a little surprise party. She's not here, so she doesn't know about it, but it's on Saturday. And so I was thinking maybe I'll film some of that and just what I'm up to this weekend. Me and my boyfriend are about to go meet his family at dinner. We're going, it's kind of like up the street from where I live, but it's called the Lawrence I haven't been there yet, so I'm excited. Gonna get some wine maybe. Feeling that today. It's been a lot, you know, it's just been a day. So I need that, or I want that, you know? But hopefully, I'm gonna check this film right now and make sure I'm not holding it over the mic. I don't even know where that is on the camera, so I also probably should look that up, but we're gonna try again. All right, bye. Real quickly, just wanna show you my little fit. This is just a little tie top from Zara and some just Levi denim shorts. I always wear these, but my nicer Supergas, my white ones, and these like bigger hoop earrings from, I got them from Urban actually, if you can see them. And yeah, I got my nails done too this week, or last week I did gel and did just like a ballerina pink almost. So kind of went back to the basics on that one. Hi guys, it is now Friday night at 6:30. I'm terrified that the way I'm holding my camera is not gonna capture the audio. But I worked today obviously, and then I did an Orange Theory class, and that's why my hair still grows. I'm trying to give it like one more day and then I'll wash it tomorrow. So I did that, and then I ran to Urban just to see what they had and didn't really find what I was looking for. But I did get these like cute little earrings, and then just like a little like soft bralette type thing. It was on sale, but I really like these, and I'm gonna try to find an outfit that goes with this. So I did that, then I dropped my boyfriend off at this like work happy hour, and I'm gonna make dinner and we're gonna watch the Hawks game later after I grab him from that happy hour. But this is like one of my favorite go-to dishes, and I wanted to show you guys how I make it. So sriracha baked tofu from Trader Joe's. We're gonna need carrots and a pepper, and then I'll get everything and then I'll just show you. All right, so the other things I grabbed were these buckwheat soba noodles, and then a lot of times I like to crush peanuts on top of them. And then for the sauce, peanut butter, soy sauce, oh, not maple syrup, it's actually honey. Honey, sesame oil, garlic, and also rice vinegar, sorry. And then I think you also add cornstarch, which I'll show you guys how to make it, and water. So that's the sauce. I'm gonna prep everything and I'll kind of like walk through how I do it. Prepped some of the stuff. This is like not even a half of this bell pepper. Cut them pretty thin, and then I, peeled a carrot, like one full whole carrot. And then I used half of the block of tofu and cut them into these little shapes. And then I'm gonna put some olive oil on the pan and cook that tofu first, just because I like it to get brown, and then I'll put it aside and then I'll throw the other vegetables in. The fan is literally going crazy over there, so I made the sauce. It's a half a teaspoon of cornstarch, a dash of sesame oil, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, like a half a teaspoon of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of peanut butter, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of honey, and a tablespoon of water. I'll put this in the description, but that is the sauce, and I'll mix it all together. So now I'm putting the peppers in with just some water so they can like get soft. And the water is about to boil for the soba noodles. Sorry, this fan is so damn loud. put in the carrots. After the peppers like sauteed, put in the soba noodles for like 3 or 4 minutes. They really don't need a lot. And then when they come out, I'll run cold water on them. And then I'll put everything in the one pan on low and pour the sauce on and kind of mix it all together and wait for it to get thick. And then put some crushed peanuts on it, and that's it. She is done. I usually put green onions on top too. I was just out. Sometimes I'll put like kale in here, or you can throw other vegetables in here too, but so good. Highly recommend. It's like one of my favorite dinners. I also swear I like never cook. I never cook on Friday nights, but I was really forcing myself. Like, I've spent so much money out lately that I was like, I'm going to make food. So here we are. Cheers. I had mentioned earlier I'm planning or trying to plan a surprise party for my best friend and roommate's birthday tomorrow. And I'm really worried. Actually, I know for a fact she's gonna be disappointed tonight. She probably thinks something's happening tonight, or like she's gonna think everyone forgot about her or something. And I'm just trying to figure out like how to get around it. But I don't think there's gonna be a way. She might just have to, you know, hit a low and then hit a really good high tomorrow night when we surprise her. So I'm just gonna try to dodge her until then, but trying to work out those logistics right now. I need to go pick up all the balloons tomorrow and some decorations, and then go decorate while her boyfriend's distracting her, and then get ready and throw a party. So that's tomorrow, so I'm just chilling tonight. The surprise party was a success. There were many tears throughout the day, but I didn't really vlog yesterday because I was doing a lot of things, and there were a lot of changes to the plan because my friend Maddie, who we were throwing the surprise party for, was essentially like really upset that no one wanted to hang out with her. Obviously we all had plans. She didn't know that, so she was like crying all day, which made the surprise even better. But, so we were doing a lot of damage control. Is that the word?
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of damage control. I'll insert a video of the surprise, but it was good. And now I'm gonna get copyright. Now we're definitely hungover, but going to meet my sister and her boyfriend at a little French brunch restaurant called Petit Chow. Happy Sunday. Okay, I'm calling it quits. Got my red light bulbs in and lit. I've got my little fresh wildflowers from today from Trader Joe's, and I got this candle. You can't see what it says, but it's called Golden Hour from Target. I honestly really like it. It's really nothing crazy, but super relaxing. So lit the candle, gonna lay in bed and probably watch some things on my phone, and then probably go to bed. I usually pass out around 10:30. I think it's like 9:30 right now. 9:18. Ooh. I just really need this sleep, you know? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Night.